Today's video is going to walk through 4 practice problems for subtracting fractions that have different denominators. Remember, when you have fractions with the same denominator, all you have to do is subtract the numerators. So we'll focus on putting these fractions into equivalents to get the same denominator, and then we can do just that. The 4 practice problems are here. Pause the video and work them out for yourself. Unpause and see if we get the same answer. Example 1. 11/15 minus 1/3. First thing we got to do is find a common denominator. Since 15 is a multiple of 15 and 3, we can use that one. First fraction stays the same. Second fraction, we can convert it to an equivalent with a denominator of 15 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. That makes our second fraction 5/15. Then we take 11 and subtract 5, and we get 6/15 is our answer. But we can see that 3 can go into both 6 and 15, so we know it can be simplified further. When we divide the numerator and denominator by 3, we get a reduced fraction of 2/5. Example 2, 9/10 minus 3/5. Again, we're looking for a common denominator, and we know that 10 is a multiple of both 5 and 10. So the first fraction stays the same. The second we convert to an equivalent, the denominator of 10. And we do that by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. Our new fraction is 6/10. Finally, we take 9, subtract 6, and we get 3. 3/10 is our final answer. Example 3, 8/11 minus 1/2. In this example, one of the denominators is not a multiple of the other, so we got to find a common multiple between the two fractions. 22 is a multiple of both 2 and 11, so that becomes our new denominator. Let's convert the first fraction into an equivalent with the denominator of 22 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2. Our new fraction is 16/22. For the second fraction, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 11 to get the equivalent fraction. The new fraction would be written as 11/22. Finally, we subtract 16 minus 11 and we get 5. 5/22 is our final answer. Last example. Subtract 5/16 minus 1/4. Another example where a denominator of one fraction is a multiple of the other. So 16 is going to be our denominator. First fraction stays the same. We convert the second fraction to an equivalent, the denominator of 16. We do that by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 4. We get a revised fraction, or equivalent, of 4/16. Next, we subtract 5 minus 4, and we get 1. 1/16 is our final answer. So hopefully you got them all right. If you did, leave me a comment or click thumbs up. For more math tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want more practice problems and answers, head on over to my site at improvemath.com. Thanks again for watching.